Okay, y'all. Today I got a tuna noodle casserole recipe to try with y'all today. I've already boiled my noodles and I've drained those. It was supposed to be 16 ounces of egg noodles, but instead of egg noodles I did little miniature bow ties. I've already cooked them and drained them. So let's get them in here and start this recipe. Okay. It says return it to the pot. I just went ahead and put it in a mixing bowl or serving bowl, however you want to say it, to get everything combined together. Okay. We have to add the peas, and it's supposed to be a cup of frozen peas. Let's see here. A better measure. Y'all know I keep frozen peas in the freezer. There's a half and one. All right. Okay. It calls for 2 cans of tuna, 2 5-ounce cans, so it's 10 ounces altogether. Let's get all the tuna out. Okay, got that. The next thing will be the soup, and guess what I don't have ready is the soup. Let's kind of combine this a little bit before we add anything else. So just kind of stir it just a little bit, because you got to combine all this. It's just going to be a one big bowl recipe. Alright, let me get something to help clean this can out with. Okay. 1 10-ounce can of cream and mushroom soup. There's some more stuff we have to add, so I think every couple of ingredients would be best to stir and combine a little bit, because if not, it's going to start sticking together. Alright. Okay. What is next? Half a cup of milk. Alright, so I got the milk over here. Let's do half a cup of that. Go ahead and add it. And the last thing is a cup of shredded cheddar. So we're going to stir the milk in. The milk in, and we're going to put our cheddar in there. I'm going to have to get the salt and pepper. Get the salt and pepper, put a little bit on there. Okay. Alright, like I said, after each ingredient or so, try to stir it a little bit, because you want everything to be well combined. Now you know this is the first time I'm making this recipe. The next time I make it, I'll probably change some things. So I could have put elbows in here, but that was kind of boring. So we did something with a little bit of excitement to it. So we did these little tiny bow ties. Alright, add salt and pepper to taste, what the recipe calls for. I may add one more ingredient that the recipe does not call for. put some chopped onion in it, but this is like the quickest way to get a little bit of onion flavor. About a half a teaspoon or so. I mean, if you like that strong onion flavor, you can probably do more than that. Hopefully it'll turn out good. Guess we'll see. Alright. Okay. Alright, next thing, we need to put it in a greased 9x13 baking dish. Let me get that ready to go. Now I already see where it doesn't look like it's very creamy, even though I followed the recipe. So, looks like it sure needs a lot more creamy stuff to it. So we'll go ahead and cook it this way. But y'all, I'm telling you, it looks like it needs some changes. Alright, so we got one more addition to make before it goes into the oven. Let me wipe my hands off. Move some of this stuff out of the way. Blender again, so let me get it cleaned off real quick. Okay. Now it called for panko breadcrumbs. I used to use those, so I used to have them on hand all the time, but didn't have any. So just decided I'd use a little bit of pork rinds that I have. So I crushed them. It says just to do a half a cup. Just a little bit of crunch. And you're also supposed to have a tablespoon of butter melted. Set off to the side, but my butter's already solidified again. So I'm just gonna do my best and dollop it right on. Do this if it ever, and really sometimes I just put it on not even melted, right out of the fridge. I was trying to, you know, show y'all the correct way, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. So you just put a little bit of butter on top. You're not drowning it in butter. It'll kind of toast it. Brown the top a little bit. Alright, y'all. It says take this out when it's hot and bubbly. I don't see where it's going to be bubbly, but we'll see. 375 for 15 to 20 minutes until bubbly and brown on top. So I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so here's the finished product. Straight out of the oven and cooled. And placed in a bowl. I think the next time I make it, I'm definitely going to make more creamy stuff because it doesn't look like it has much to it. It's still edible. Still will pass as a family meal, but I need to try to improve on this recipe. Well, there you go. Tuna noodle casserole. Real easy and quick.